Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check or view your step count on an Apple Watch. So let's get started. So it's going to be really simple and easy to do on the latest version of the watch here. So first thing is you need to go and click on the crown here to get to all of our apps basically. From there on, you're going to look to find this one, which is a fitness app, right? You go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you see it be in one of these menu options here. So if I slide my crown or just flick it upward, right, I can see the different things like how long I've been standing. And then finally, if you go down all the way to down here to almost the very last one, you see the step counts, which shows you the steps and the distance and then the flights that you have also counted. So that's how you can find it. Really simple and easy to do, not much to it, but basically just open up that fitness app and then just scroll until you can find whatever fitness data you're looking for, just like the steps here, which shows for today. So that's how you check it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Apple Watch and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.